played considering काफी हरा पिच था, टफ पिच था, कैसे अपना छठा 100 रीड करेंगे?
ऑफ कोर्स मतलब विकेट थोड़ा स्पाइसी था, तो काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा था बैटिंग करने में, काफ़ी इन्जॉय कर रहा था मैं, क्योंकि आई आई एक्सपेक्ट दैट इन इंग्लैंड व्हेन यू प्ले wicket like this, so mentally I was ready and I was just enjoying. I knew that what shot I'm going to play in this surface, so I was really enjoying it.
यशस्वी, जो टाइम आपने स्पेंड किया एज अ बैटर वो काफ़ी सबसे ज़्यादा है, मतलब इस टेस्ट में एज अ बैटर, तो आप ये विकेट, क्या आपको भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि शायद हम हैवी रोलर ले रहे हैं तो उसके बाद थोड़ा सा विकेट अच्छा हो जा रहा है 1-1.5 घंटे के लिए और उसके बाद फिर खुल जा रहा है? और दूसरा पार्ट ये था कि टेस्ट क्रिकेट में आपके पूर्व कप्तान आज मौजूद थे, उनके साथ भी क्या कुछ बातचीत, मतलब इशारों में कुछ हुआ जो लग रहा था तस्वीरों के माध्यम से, आप बताना चाहेंगे उसके बारे में?
बिल्कुल, विकेट मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि कुछ थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट था, जहाँ पे बॉल मूवमेंट हो रहा था, सीम मूवमेंट हो रहा था। और रोहित भाई के बारे में, ऑफ कोर्स रोहित भाई को मैंने देखा और हाय बोला, उन्होंने मेरे को यही मैसेज दिया कि खेलते रहना, सो यही था।
क्या रोलर से कुछ इम्पैक्ट पड़ रहा है?
वो मुझे नहीं पता क्या।
यशस्वी, ऑब्वियसली आपका जो पिच में आप काफ़ी बिहाइंड द विकेट खेला आपने, तो क्या कॉन्शियस डिसीजन था गिवन द कंडीशंस, एंड ऑब्वियसली व्हाट फीडबैक डू यू गिव योर ओन बॉलर्स टू बॉल ऑन दिस?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बॉल में बाउंस काफ़ी है, तो चांसेस ज़्यादा हैं कि मैं उधर शॉट खेल सकता था और मेरे रन्स आ सकते थे, तो मेरे दिमाग में ये था। और if we are bowling in a channel 9, I think it will be amazing because there's always movement in the wicket. There is seam movement and swing movement. It's not that easy to bat. So yeah, that's it.
Hi, Yashasvi, after a good start, after एक दो innings आपका थोड़ा, you didn't get the start you wanted perhaps. So how do you prepare yourself coming into the game? You just think about the mental thing and some learnings that you perhaps had from those few outings.
I think it's very important for all of us that we need to keep pushing ourselves, and this was our last inning here, so I was keep trying that mentally I was ready. I need to keep pushing on this game and try to get as much as I can. And of course, seeing the wicket in the first inning, how I was thinking like what can be the best option in this wicket, and I was just trying to play like that and be positive, and my intent was very good that I wanted to put pressure on the bowler, that where they are going to bowl and where I can score runs. So my mentality is always like that. I think positive and go for my shots. Depends what is the situation. If situation demands something else, so I will enjoy that as well.
Hi Yashasvi, आप काफ़ी अनकन्वेंशनल शॉट्स खेलते हो और दे कम ऑफ वेरी ब्रिलियंटली वेरी ऑफन, कभी नहीं भी चलते और आपकी विकेट भी जाती है, तो उस पर आपको कैसा फीडबैक मिलता है आपको कोच से और सीनियर टीममेट से कि कैसे खेलना चाहिए?
बिल्कुल, आई थिंक द फीडबैक इज़ ऑलवेज देयर दैट कीप वर्किंग हार्ड as we all do, and we try our best and we improve 1% every single day. So I think cricket is the game of consistency, so we try and make sure that we work hard in the practice session, that whenever we go out there that game becomes easy. So we were practicing very hard and we were enjoying the game very well, and we know what shot we can play. So I think it's just keep doing the same thing again and again consistently. That's very important.
Two centuries and 2 half centuries in the series. How happy are you?
I think I wanted to do more. I wanted to make my innings bigger than that, so I could have achieved something else. But it's okay. I was trying very very hard for that, and I was enjoying it. So whenever I go out there, I think as long as I can bat, I enjoy batting as well. So yeah.
Yashasvi, can you talk a bit about your partnership with Akash? It felt like you guys were having fun out there and actually putting pressure on England and enjoying that partnership. So,
of course, like Akash batted really well. He did what he could, and he was playing shots as well and defending very well. So we were just having talk in the middle what we can do best in that situation, because we wanted him to play as long as he can play, so that will be benefit us as well. So I was just keep thinking about that, how we can build this partnership as long as we can. So we were enjoying that and we were having a good fun.
That's good. Here, once again. What were your learnings from your very first trip to England now? Your test work, your first learnings from this test work. What did you learn? What did you pick up?
I think it's all about how I fight. Always the mentality is go out there and fight it out and enjoy, because in the end, as I tell myself that it's the game and we need to enjoy the game. That is very important. With that, we should have fun. So I think there's a lot of learning. I can't tell everything, but there is mentally, physically, emotionally, everything. And I'm proud of myself and all my teammates that the way they have put the work last 2 months and enjoy the England series, and it was tremendous.
You seem very well placed to win this game potentially tomorrow. How confident are you that you're going to be able to do that? And how much an achievement would drawing the series be?
Of course, I think we are quite confident, and we just need to focus on our process and keep bowling at the right areas. That's what we are thinking, and we will try our best. And of course, we all are enjoying here, and we want this. We want fun. We want some battle in the middle. So that is the fun. That's why you play Test cricket.
That's true.
Shasvi, can you talk about how Gauti has worked with you in terms of your batting starting from League to this match? What are the kind of things that he has helped you fine tune, which has helped you in your batting career?
Of course, there is plenty of things that we have spoken about, and we worked into the nets as well. And I think it's all about that tactics, how I can use in the middle and enjoy the game and put pressure on the bowler as well. So it's all about the situation in what I'm in. So that's how we talk, and it's very relaxing and very helping. Sir is amazing, and I'm really enjoying it.
Is it more mental than technical?
I think it's all. It's not, you can't actually tell one thing, because it's emotionally, mentally, physically, everything. We just need to keep doing it and enjoying it.
Final question.
Yashasvi, very early in your career, you have been part of 3-5 Test series now, one at home against England, one away in Australia, and now in England. When you look back those 15 tests, how much has it helped you? How much has it helped you grow as a cricketer and as an individual? How hardened are you now?
Of course, you get a lot of experience when you play Test cricket. You are in the middle. You are learning different kind of cricket. When you are playing in India, the cricket is different. When you are playing in Australia, the cricket is different. When you are playing in England, the game is different. So there is a lot of learning as well, and understanding different kind of wickets and the environment as well. So I think there is a lot to gain still, and I'm really enjoying it.
5 Test series would challenge specific Tino series to a better level.
I think the challenges are different in different places. Means if you're playing in India, the challenge will be different. You are going to play spin a lot. There will be spinners, three spinners in the team. And when you're playing in Australia, there will be 4 seamer. And when you're playing in England, there will be 4 seamer. So I think that's how you need to plan your game. I need to plan my game, my innings, where my shots are, and where I'm going to score runs. So of course I'm keep getting all these messages and playing with the seniors as long as I have played with Rohit bhai, Virat bhai. So playing with them as well helped me a lot grow as a person, and seeing them what they have done in Test cricket, how they have prepared themselves. So I think it really helped me especially to improve as a player, and especially playing with all my mates now, KL bhai, the way we chat and what we think about the game, how we think about the game, Gil bhai, everyone is just, it's very interesting, and it's like I'm really enjoying it.